doesn't count. I'll call you Cat. Wait.
My wife's called me worse. Come on. Just one more. I'm out of here. This place sucks.
Wayne, can't you ever leave this place?
Don't you have a Bible study or something to go to?
Man, if you're not drinking, you're feeding a slaughter bow.
Well, who invited you?
Your wife did. She knows you're over here drinking all the time, and she don't want you driving drunk, so she sent us.
You remember your wife, Sally? All she does is she just loves you, Wayne. She just wants what's best for you. And your son, Aaron, you would not believe the abuse he's put up with those kids from the high school, all because of your actions. I'm just afraid if you don't change your life now, this might be your last chance.
Last chance. If she knew how much money I blowed at the casino, and now the bank wants my house.
Man, you are just a lousy loser. You know that?
What are you doing gambling anyway? You know that's addictive. What was it Grandpa always said, that sin would take you further than you ever wanted to go?
Grandpa, there's a man who couldn't face reality.
Oh, let's talk about reality. This is your reality, staying drunk in a bar all the time. The only reality that I know is without Jesus, you'll never be able to change.
Ooh, I'm such a sinner and I'm such a loser. Well, sis, you see that blonde over there at the table with her husband? Our brother Scott here is messing around with her.
I don't know her.
Oh, you know
Why
her.
don't you just shut up, man? You want the whole garden?
Oh, Barnoso! In adulterous sin, Scotty boy!
Just stop. You both know I used to be just like that woman until I gave my life to Christ and asked for forgiveness. He'd forgive both of you if you just asked.
Oh, confessions of a dangerous mind.
And won't you just shut up? You're just a drunk.
Drunk! I'm out of here, St. Brendan, Sinner Scott!
Wait, just give me your keys. I just want to...
I can take care of myself. I don't need you, and I don't need Grandpa Jesus. I just need to find my keys.
At least let me pray with you.
Don't pray for me. Pray for the adulterer over here.
Well, at least I'm not a drunk.
A drunk?
That's exactly right.
Yes, I'm white. You're white. I'm out of here.
Give us your keys. Just give us your keys.